Welcome, in front of me is a Philips Xenium V787 and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started you can just lock the device so we don't press anything, and you want to flip it over, and where you have the camera, this is actually a cover, so I already pried it open mostly, so it should come off fairly easy, but when you're doing this when it's fully on, it's a little bit difficult to get it off, so you might want to just start from like the edge right here and just start yanking on it till it just snaps off. And snap off, I don't mean breaks, just comes off, and then it should be easy just to pry it all around. So from there you'll see that you have access to two different SIM trays and SD card. So to insert it, the SD card goes in the middle like so, you can see it right now. Then SIM goes either here or here, and they basically go with the cutout on the upper left corner, and it's the middle size card, not the smallest one but not the biggest one, so you can just use the adapter and insert it if you have different size. So from there you want to put it under the metal bracket right here, and then just slide it all the way down, and that's basically it. The card and SD card are now inserted, and you can go to the device, just unlock it, SD card ready, cool, and now the SIM card will work once you reboot the device, so I'll spare the time to not actually do it, but as you can see it's in there. So yeah, that is how you would insert it, and then all you need to do is just close the cover the same way. So let me just flip it over after I lock it. So you just want to basically press it all around so it snaps all into place, and there we go. Make sure it's sometimes on the edges, it doesn't want to go all the way, so you just want to press onto it till it snaps into place, and that's basically it. That's how you insert the SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.